I hope you are all feeling well. If you remember the last week I asked you to start reading from Jane Aitchison, What is Linguistics? That is number 1. And as I told you last time, we are going to ignore this paragraph because there is nothing important about it, just some statistics concerning some things. You can read it for your general interest. Okay, the second paragraph here, the main idea of this paragraph is that language is part of being human. No single creature on earth possesses or has language just like the human language. Even the animals, they have special communication systems that cannot be as the human language. And what is special about language is that if you notice, children all over the world start speaking at the same time. They follow the same steps in acquiring language, and they reach the same ultimate goal in acquiring language. Okay, they follow the same stage. So it shows that there is some kind of universality of a human language. Language is not random way of communication. No, it is special, it is universal, it is organized, and these things. Concerning the other page about this paragraph, it says that the ability to use language accurately is part of being a human. And yes, there are people who are somehow unable to use language in a correct way, or let us say they have kind of language disorder. For example, they are unable to hear and this causes problems for them, or maybe they are psychologically not well, they have particular psychological illness or psychological disorder, and this affects language. You will notice that those people are not so much integrated within the society. They face problems with the society. So language, or as a human beings, being able to use language correctly for communication and for other purposes is actually very important for us in societies. Language, being able to use language appropriately, is part of our personality, part of our perfection as a human beings. Without language, the integration within society is going to be almost impossible. And language is not of interest for only linguists and language teachers. No, it is for interest for psychologists, sociologists, anthropologists, speech therapists, and even computer scientists and programmers. Because language now is, has also integrated within the software system. So this is the main idea of this paragraph. The last paragraph here raises a group of questions, and you will find the answers for these questions in the following pages. It doesn't mean that you have to consider each question separately and you have to look for its specific answer. No, it is not like this. These questions just tell you what the other sections or what the other pages are going to be about. They just put you on alert about what you are going to study in the other pages. Let us move to the other subject, the last subject here that I asked you to read. What is a linguist? Or who is the linguist, if you like it to be? The word linguist here has two meanings. It either means the person who speaks a number of languages, or it means the person who uses linguistics. Let me explain it in a separate video.